How to post on X Twitter. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open X, log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on plus sign located at bottom right corner of your screen. And then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply type in what you want to post. Any questions? After that, if you click on globe light option at the bottom, you'll find all these options. Select the one you prefer, who can reply. After you have selected this, you can also add some pictures by clicking at gallery option, add poll, locations, GIF. After you're done, click on post located at top right corner of your screen. After you click on post, Twitter will be posted. Simply go to your profile to view if there is the post or not. If you simply want to delete, click on three dots in the post. You'll find delete post option, click on it, and then click on delete again, and you're good to go. This is how to post on X Twitter. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.